Hello guys! Good evening! Ayan, Sabado night dito guys. At lalabas ang yaya nyo guys. Lalabas po para mag-dinner guys. Sa my food court. Ayan. Kaya later ko sa kain. Ayan na guys. Naglalakad ako.
The back and forth, the tug of war.
Kanina pa, mga 7:30 yan. Isa na nag-guest. Siyempre, nagluto pa ako para sa
we fall back in. No more half of me, I need all of you. I won't settle for a love that rips at the seams. Let's go back to when we both had what we wanted.
So,
What
ayan
we
na nga guys.
wanted.
Ayan, nakita
I
yung
thought I could leave you,
taga sa atin.
but I know I can't.
Nakachika bigla. Ayan na.
Yeah, I thought I could
Ayun
leave
na.
you,
Dahil naglalakad
but I
ako.
know I can't.
At pupunta ako sa pupuntahan ko. Ang laki ng festival guys. Ayan. So, malapit lang naman dito yung food court ng Newton Food Court. Nilalakad lang naman siya. So, may unahan naman yung market. Ayan na.
Lost out at
So,
sea,
pinto is high.
so hard to breathe when you're not around. Closer to me, no more half of me. I need all of you. I won't settle for love that rips at the seams. Let's go back to when we both had what we wanted, what we wanted.
Ayan na naman, lalakad na naman siya. Kaya, yung forma ko parang tikla. Parang wala lang, gusto ko lang magganito. Bakit ba? Pag naarawan lang maganda. Charot. Feel mo naman maganda ka.
I thought I could leave you, but I know I can't. Yeah, I thought I could leave you, but I know I can't.
Food court ng Newton, yung seafoods nila. Kasi ito yung famous na seafoods dito. I mean, yung food court doon sa Newton. Ang famous sa kanila is yung seafoods. So, ayan na nga yung simbahan na sinasabi ko, guys. Yan. Jesus Christ. Yan yung simbahan. Ayan. So, yan. Nadadaanan ko. Papuntang MRT. Hiningal na ako, besh. Hingal na ako, besh. Okay, guys. So, update ko na lang kayo later kung ano yung kakainin ko doon. At, ayun na nga. So, bye, guys.
Hi. Nandito na ako sa food court. Ang daming tao. Nandito kami sa likod, pero sa harap nito guys, sobrang daming tao mamaya. Ay, actually mamaya na
The back and forth, the tug of